Hi, welcome to today's mathematics class, and today we'll be talking about word problems leading to linear equations. Whenever you are calculating questions on word problems, there are three rules you need to observe. 1. You choose a letter to represent the number required. Secondly, you change each statement in the question to a statement containing the letter you have chosen. And thirdly, you link all the parts of the question to form an equation. With these three rules, you can calculate any questions on word problems. Let's look at this question too. When 189 is subtracted from 5 times a certain number, the result is equal to 1/2 of the original number. Find the number. Earlier we said that there are three rules we must observe when calculating questions on word problem. The first thing is to choose a letter to represent the number required. And from the question, we represent the central number as S. So let the number equals to S. And the second rule, with the third rule, we change each statement in the question to statement containing the letter you are choosing, and you link up all the parts of the question to form an equation. From the question, 189 is subtracted from 5 times a certain number. So 5 times this certain number minus this 189, because 189 is subtracted from 5 times the certain number. Then we link it up with the other statement. The result is equal to 1/2 of the original number, 1/2 times the original number. So this is our linear equation. From here, we find the certain number which is equals to S. So we can multiply through by 2. Multiplying through by 2. So this will be 2 times 5S minus 2 times 189 is equals to 2 times 1/2S. Here we have 1, 2 here we have 1. So this question will now be 2 times 5, we have 10S, minus 2 times 189, we have 378, is equals to S. So when you collect like terms, this will be 10S, move this to this side and this to the other side, minus S is equals to, when negative 378 move to the other side, we have positive 378. 10 minus S, we now have 9S, which is equals to 378. We make S the subject of the formula. S will now be 378 divided by 9. So our answer will be 42. So the certain number is equals to 42. This is our answer to this question. Please click on the subscription button to get more questions on word problem. Thank you.